Julio is harvesting great big okra. We're relieving the plants of all the pressure that these big okras are taking off of them so we can grow more small. And we have got like 12 of these cajas done already. Each one's probably 50 pounds. And he says we've got 2 more big wheelbarrows full to load today. And so what we're going to do with these, we'll pull a few of the great big ones for seeds, but then we will we're going to cut, slice, dice, and try to pulverize these as dehydrated superfoods. I mean, just because it's big and woody, once you pulverize it into powder, it doesn't matter what it was before. So an opportunity to save food that would otherwise be lost. This is why we dehydrate. Okay, we're out here by the greenhouse and we're bringing them out. This is extra stuff that it just grew too fast, too big. We couldn't get to it. And so we're now cleaning the plants so they have lots of energy, not to support this stuff, but to support the brand new ones. Here we come down to the one section we have of okra, and here it is. There's about 2,000 okra plants down here, and as you see, there's lots of new stuff coming. Look at that. One flower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little okras on that plant. And what we did was we just stripped off a couple big boys that gives all the energy into those new ones now. This stuff is growing so fast in the volcanic soil that we have to clean it and harvest it every few days. That little guy on the right, he was the size of the guy on the left yesterday. He will be harvestable tomorrow, and these guys here will be the size of that guy tomorrow, and that guy will be this guy tomorrow. That's how fast it's growing. Now you see some of the plants are a little bit larger than others. Some of them actually almost hitting the 8-foot lines up on top. Wow. Whew. It's hot out here, lots of work. Here's one that hadn't been cleaned yet. Okay, so we got lots of babies up on top. Look at that. They just want to come forward, but look down below. We got some great big monsters here. Those things are 12 to 14 inches long. We're cutting them today. We're going to dehydrate them, cut them up and dehydrate them. The volunteers will all dehydrate and cut, and then we powderize it into superfood mix for soups and for adding to the rice, along with spinach, kale, and all of that. There's another great big one here. See, so Julio's got 4 of the rows done, and we still got 2 more rows to go. We probably got 2 or 3 more crates coming out before it's done. Wow. Come on down and help us to dehydrate superfoods super fast for the poor, the widow, the orphan, and more importantly, as you learn to do this, you'll see it's not rocket science. You can do it. We can do it around the world and save the 40% of the food that's being lost. I'll tell you what, that food right there, it's lost. It's gone. If it was not for dehydration, that and all of these crates that we're pulling out would be gone and thrown away.